So hi guys, this is Nitish from Medical Blogs. So I am going to make a video on energy drink, that is Redbull substitute. How to make a Redbull substitute at home? Let's see. So we will take 1 teaspoon oats. We will take 1 teaspoon of white honey. We will take 1 apple and we will take cow milk. So guys, the drink has prepared. Why I am calling this energy drink as Redbull substitute? Because it covers all the ingredients which is present in Red Bull. We have added apples, which is a good source of magnesium, which is present in your Red Bull. We have added oats, which is a very good source of glucose and sucrose, and fiber, and a great source of magnesium. These all ingredients are present in your Red Bull. And we have added cow milk, which is a very good source of taurine. These all ingredients present in your Red Bull, which gives you instant energy. But there is a limitation of your Red Bull: caffeine. This drink is free of caffeine, and Red Bull is not given to pregnant women and children due to presence of caffeine content. But this drink is free of caffeine content, and it covers all the ingredients which is present in your energy drink. This drink is free of caffeine, free of side effects. You can take this drink twice a week. Thank you guys. I hope you like this video. Share and subscribe.